what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. For my new viewers yang baru datang ataupun yang baru tengok video Meimei, don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button, okay? My YouTube. Hari ni Meimei nak lukis gambar kita punya beloved PM, which is Muhyiddin Yassin. Untuk yang lukisan kali ni sangat simple. You just need an A4 paper and also a marker pen. Okay, permanent marker pen. Okay, not a whiteboard marker pen. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, rasanya hampa dah tengok kan lukisan Meimei tadi? Kan betul, memang betul kan? Simple kan? Kan. So kalau hampa yang nak ikut tu boleh je hampa ikut, hampa guna pensel dulu. Ada salah hampa boleh padam. So lepas tu hampa lukis balik pakai pen. Okay, for the beginners. So this is suitable for the beginners. Ini dia. I will be love PM just now. Sekian saja from me. So comment below ataupun bagi any suggestions. Siapa-siapa saja yang hampa teringin nak Meimei lukis dan buatkan video for your entertainment. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video until everyone's seen.